application of Newman system model in clinical practice. Okay, Newman system model nursing process format. Newman presents a three-step nursing process format known as the Newman system model nursing process format. The first one is the nursing diagnosis, assessment and diagnosis, nursing goals, plan and expected outcomes, the nursing outcomes, implementation and evaluation. The first one is nursing diagnosis, to identify variances from wellness and development of hypothetical interventions. Nurses focus on obtaining data of client with regards to determine the existing state of wellness. Assessment OD, the NLOR, identify, classify, and evaluate actual and potential stressors. Inter, extra-personal interaction in all 5 variables. Identify, classify, and evaluate the actual or potential reaction to environmental stressors. Evaluate the influence of past, present, and future coping patterns. For this use, assessment and intervention tool. So, dito sa nursing diagnosis, ay dito daw yung pinoproseso kung saan tinutukoy yung mga pagkakaiba mula sa kalusugan or health at nagda-develop ng mga posibleng interventions. Katulad na lamang nung sinabi na pagkuha ng data. Nakatuon kasi yung mga nurse sa pagkuha ng information tungkol sa kalagayan ng mga pasyente para malaman yung kanilang kasalukuyang estado or wellness, kasama dito yung the basic structure, yung FLOD, the NLOD, and the LOR. At ganun din yung pagtukoy or yung pagsuri ng stressors dahil kailangan ring tukuyin, i-classify at evaluate yung mga stressors or yung maaaring makaapekto sa pasyente. Yung tulad ng intrapersonal, interpersonal, extrapersonal, at pag-evaluate ng reaction, kailangan ding suriin yung reaction ng mga pasyente sa mga environmental stressors at titingnan yung mga effects, mga nakaraan or kasalukuyan at hinaharap na coping patterns. Mula sa well-developed ng hypothetical interventions. Itong mga tools na to ay mahalaga para sa tamang assessment at effective na interventions para sa ating mga pasyente. Is an assessment and intervention tool. Number 1 is intake summary. The name, age, sex, vital status, referral source, and related information. The number 2 is stressors as perceived by clients. The major stress area of health concerns lifestyle patterns, past coping patterns, anticipating oneself in the future as a consequences of present situation, activities doing to help oneself now, and what can you do? Expectation of activities for oneself from caregivers, family, and of course, friends. So dito sa assessment and intervention tool, ito yung ginagamit ng mga nurse para maunawaan yung kondisyon ng pasyente at makagawa ng tamang intervention. Katulad ng intake summary, nandito nakalahad yung pangalan, yung edad, yung kasarian, the marital status, referral source, and related information or yung mga mahalagang detalye ng pasyente. Number 2 ay yung stressors. sa nakikita ng mga kliyente or yung mga pasyente